Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to level up hero proficiency and basically just get rewards in Marvel Rivals. And let's get straight into the video. So to get started, just make your way over to heroes, go over to whatever hero you want to level up. Let's just use Black Panther for example, and just make your way over to proficiency in the top right here. Now in order to level up the hero proficiency, all you have to do is for agent, let's just say, you have to get 500 of these tokens, and the only way to get these tokens is by completing these challenges. And basically they do once you complete all of these tokens, they like recharge after. Basically they just recharge when you complete them, so they come back, and that's how you can do it. And when you go over to rewards, it's basically 5 tiers: agent, knight, captain, centurion, and lord. And you have all of these rewards. Basically this is the highest reward. This is for lord, which is the last rank. You get this, and it's basically the same for each character. Like obviously the banner is different, but it's like the same format. And for level, this is you have to just complete these challenges. Some of them are easy, some of them are a little bit harder, but other than that, it's really it. There's no really other way to level up the hero proficiency. And yeah, you just have to, I guess, as fast as you do them, you'll get more. So if you do these pretty quickly, you'll get another 4 pretty quickly as well. So that would be the fastest way, just to focus on these challenges, and you can level it up pretty easily. And yeah, that should basically be it. That is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.